Good morning, student. Let's start today's class. Okay. In today's class, we'll see about indirect gain concept. In previous classes, we have already seen about uh, the direct gain concept. Indirect gain concept, the sun ray or radiation fall on the room fall on inside our room or living room and directly and heated our room or room air or room directly. But in indirect gain concept, concept, the name suggests that it the sun ray the sun ray heated our room indirectly, or the ray the sun radiation is not directly fall inside our uh, living room. Okay. And why we need indirect gain concept instead of direct gain concept? Because in direct gain concept there is a disadvantage. What is this disadvantages? In direct gain concept, the heating is very irregular. That means uh, in morning time the heat, due to we use the solar radiation directly. In morning time the radiation energy or the heat energy, thermal energy in the sun radiation is less, but in the peak day or in the noon time the radiation is more, and also in the afternoon the radiation is less, or thermal energy or heat energy is less. This irregular heating is the problem in direct direct gain concept. Okay. To overcome this problem, we use indirect gain concept. In indirect gain concept, uh, we use a thermal storage. We use a thermal storage wall between the direct sun radiation and the living room. That means the sun radiate in indirect gain concept, the sun radiate the sun fall on the wall, not directly. It fall on the thermal storage wall or thermal storage wall, and it which is placed between the living room and the outer surface. That means here one uh, uh, here one thermal storage wall wall is there, which store sun radiation and give that radiation to the living room. That's why it is called indirect gain concept. Okay. Which is not in this is thermal radiation storage wall is not in the direct gain concept. Okay. In direct gain concept there is no storage is used. Okay. Or dedicated storage is not used. Okay. Based on the type of the storage wall, that means what type of storage wall we used. Based on that, there are five types of, or five categories of indirect wall or indirect gain concept. Okay. One is tumbled wall. Okay. Trombe wall. Next one is water wall. Next one is trans wall. Next one is zone space. Next one is bed wall. Okay. And we will see these five categories one by one. Okay. Today, next we will see what is tumble wall. Okay. In tumble wall, what happened? This is called 1 minute. This is called tumbled wall. Okay, tumbled wall concept or design of building. Okay, here what happened that this is our wall. Okay, concrete wall. Okay, concrete storage wall. Okay, and this is a glazed glass or blackened glazed glass. Okay, then here what happened and this is also south facing. I told you that I have told that why we use south facing in direct gain concept. Similarly, here we use south facing for getting efficient sun radiation. Okay, we use south facing. Okay, and here let's say sun is here. Okay, sun ray fall on the what double glazed or glazed glass surface. Okay, this is glass surface and heat the glass surface, and here what happened, the room air, this is our room. Okay, the air circulated through these vents. Okay, air circulated through these vents. Okay, and get heated the glass heating due to the glass heating, and we get a warm air inside our room, which which uh, which which heated our room accordingly. And here what is the advantages of our direct gain concept? In direct gain concept we cannot what control the room heating. Okay, or room temperature. Here we control in direct in Trombe wall concept. Here we control our room temperature by 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 which process? By controlling the airflow. By controlling the airflow we can control the temperature of inside our room. That means if in night time there is no heat, sun radiation or no heat, so we can stop the vent or the stop the airflow, due to which there is no heat loss. Okay, one. And in the peak summer or peak peak or noon time, there is so much heat, we can control or less, we can get less uh, temperature by restricting the airflow. Okay, that means ଯଦି ଆମେ ଏଇ ଏୟାରଫ୍ଲୋକୁ କମ୍ କରିବା ତାହେଲେ ଆମେ ଗରମ ଏୟାର କମ୍ ପାଇବା ହେଲା। କମ୍ ପାଇଲେ ଆମ ରୁମ୍ ଏନର୍ଜି ରୁମ୍ ଟେମ୍ପରେଚର୍ କମ୍ ରହିବ ହେଲା। ଆଉ ଏଇଟା ମୋଟା କଂକ୍ରିଟ୍ ୱାଲ୍ ଅଛି ମାନେ ଏଇଟା ଗୋଟେ ଇନ୍ସୁଲେଟର୍ ଟାଇପ୍ର ୟୁଜ୍ କରା ମାନେ ଇନ୍ସୁଲେଟର୍ ଟାଇପ୍ର ଆକ୍ଟ କରିବ। ଓକେ, ଆଉ ଏଇଠି ଗରମ ହେବ, ଏୟାରଟା ଏଇବାଟେ ଯାଇକି ଗରମ ହେଇକି ପୁଣି ରୁମ୍କୁ ଆସିବ, ଏପଟେ ଯିବ ମାନେ ଭେଣ୍ଟ ଦେଇକି ଯିବ, ଯେଉଁ ଭେଣ୍ଟ ଦେଇକି ଯିବ ସେ ଗରମ ହେଇକି ପୁଣି ରୁମ୍କୁ ଆସିବ, ପୁଣି ଗରମ ହେଇକି ରୁମ୍କୁ ଆସିବ। ଆଉ ରାତି ଟାଇମ୍ରେ ଯେହେତୁ ଆମର ବାହାରେ କ'ଣ ସୂର୍ଯ୍ୟକିରଣ ନାହିଁ, ଥଣ୍ଡା ଅଛି ଏରିଆ, ଯଦି ଆମେ ଏୟାର ଫ୍ଲୋ କରିବା ତାହେଲେ ଏୟାରଟା ଥଣ୍ଡା ହେଇଯିବ ଆଉ ରୁମ୍ ଆମର ଥଣ୍ଡା ହେଇଯିବ। ଧର ୱିଣ୍ଟର ରାତିରେ ହେଲା, ଶୀତଦିନ ରାତିରେ ଆମର ଗରମ ଦରକାର, ତ ଦିନରେ ଯେଉଁ ଗରମ ହେଇକି ଯେଉଁ ଅଛି ରୁମ୍ଟା ସେଟା ଥଣ୍ଡା ହେଇଯିବ। ଯଦି ଆମେ ଏୟାର ଫ୍ଲୋ କଲେ ରାତିରେ, ତାହେଲେ ଆମେ କ'ଣ କରିବା, ଏଇ ଭେଣ୍ଟ ଗୁଡ଼ାକୁ ବନ୍ଦ କରିଦେବା। ବନ୍ଦ କରିଦେଲେ କ'ଣ ନା ଏୟାର ବାହାରକୁ ଯିବ, ଏୟାର ବାହାରକୁ ଗଲେ ସିନା ଥଣ୍ଡା ହେବ, ତ ଏଇଠି ଗରମ ମାନେ ରୁମ୍ ଭିତରେ ଗରମ ଏୟାରଟା ରହିଲା ଆମର। ହଉ ହେଲା, ଏଇଟା ହେଉଛି ଟମ୍ବଲ ୱାଲ୍। ଓକେ, ଟମ୍ବ ୱାଲ୍। ଓକେ, ଆଉ ଏଇ ଟମ୍ବ ୱାଲ୍ କିଏ ବାହାର କରିଥିଲେ ହେଲା? ଫାଷ୍ଟ କ'ଣ ଟମ୍ବ ୱାଲ୍ ଫାଷ୍ଟ କିଏ କରିଥିଲେ ନା ଦିସ୍ କନସେପ୍ଟ ଫାଷ୍ଟଲି patented by E.L. Morse in USA and later revived and represented by Trombe. ফার্স্ট କ'ଣ କରିଥିଲେ ନା E.L. ମୋସ୍ এটা ଇନଭେଣ୍ଟ କରିଥିଲେ, ମାନେ ଏଇ କନସେପ୍ଟଟା, ଏଇ ଡିଜାଇନଟା ହେଲେ କରିଥିଲେ, କିନ୍ତୁ ତାକୁ ସେ ପରେ ରିଭାଇଭ୍ କରିଥିଲେ, ମାନେ ଏଇଟା କରିଦେଇକି ସେ ଛାଡ଼ି ଦେଇଥିଲେ, ପ୍ୟାଟର୍ନ କରିଦେଇକି ଛାଡ଼ି ଦେଇଥିଲେ, ହେଲେ ଏଇଟା ଫେମସ୍ ହେଇନଥିଲା। ତାପରେ କ'ଣ ହେଇଥିଲା ନା ଯେ ଟ୍ରମ୍ବ ୟାକୁ ପୁଣି ରିଭାଇଭ୍ କରିକି ପୁଣି ଆଉ ଥରେ ମଡ଼ିଫାଏ କରିକି ତାକୁ ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟ କରିଥିଲେ, ଯେଉଁଟାକି ଆମେ ଏଇଟା ଦେଖୁଛେ କନସେପ୍ଟ। ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ ତ ଏଇଟା ନାଁ ହେଇଛି ଟ୍ରମ୍ବ ୱାଲ୍ କନସେପ୍ଟ। ଓକେ, ନେକ୍ସଟ ଦେଖିବା ଯେ ୱାଟର ୱାଲ୍। ଓକେ, ୱାଟର ୱାଲ୍ରେ କ'ଣ ହେଉଛି ନା ଆମେ ସେଠି ଯେଉଁ ଗ୍ଲାସ୍ ୟୁଜ୍ କରୁଥିଲେ ଆଉ ଏୟାର ଭେଣ୍ଟ ୟୁଜ୍ କରୁଥିଲେ, ସେଠି ଏଇଟା ନ କରିକି ଆମେ ଗୋଟେ କ'ଣ କରିବା, ଗୋଟେ ୱାଲ୍ରେ ମାନେ ୱାଟର ଡ୍ରମ୍ ଗୁଡ଼ା ଷ୍ଟାକ୍ କରିକି ଗୋଟେ ପରେ ଗୋଟେ କରି ଷ୍ଟାକ୍ କରିକି ରଖିବା। ଓକେ, ଏଇଟା ସବୁ ଗୋଟେ ୱାଟର ଡ୍ରମ୍। ଓକେ, ସେଥିରେ ମାନେ there is water drum. Okay, here what happened, this water drum store the energy. Okay, these water drums store the energy and and get the and give the energy when we need. Okay, these water wall due to the water drums in the wall, it is called water wall. Okay, and these water drums capture heat and store that heat for night purpose or winter night purpose. Okay, next next concept or next categories we'll see in coming classes. Okay, thank you.